どうも高吉キキです。なんとかまだ生きてます。今は、小飛島から別府村までの乗り物はもう全くなかったところをラティカさんっていう10年ぐらいここにずっと通い続けてる、活動家というか、長族の朝で作るもの的スタイルをやってる人と一緒に乗っけてもらいまして食事になりました。もうベジタリアンフードに戻します。本当はもう全く物も食べたくないんですが、彼女が食べようというので断れずに。なんて弱いんだ俺は。もうスプーンとかは使いませんね。
Dry fish, I said. It's called dry fish.
ドライフィッシュ。
Yeah, you might like it.
今ね、ああいう魚系の漬物食べたらもう足絶対ぶっかるよ。あ、美味しい。あ、テイスティー。ベリーテイスティー。
Yeah, yeah.
スワーディスト。ス
Swadid.
ワーディスト。わあ。スワーディスト、バイバイ。このじゃがいも超しょっぱいし超辛い。生茹でたキャベツをね包んで食べるのは韓国でもよくやるんですよ。これにヤンニョンジャンとかでもあれもうまいんだけど、ベジタブルグレイト。
It must feel nice to have rice, no?
I'm okay. Naga people eat a lot of rice.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
yesterday I was some very old guy, looks like grandpa, eat twice.
After coming here, I also eat a lot of rice.
Oh yeah.
First small, but now big here.
Because when I was in Japan, I was 95 kilogram, really fat man. But when I came to India, I changed to Shukarian,
Oh,
to vegetarian.
yes, yes.
Because I went to the Rishikesh, there's no meat. First time I really surprised, why
no meat?
why no drink? But the first night I ate some veggie, it's very satisfying. So that's why I changed, and it's very healthy. And when I sleep in Japan, it's like ooh, but gradually my body changed.
Yeah.
So I decided, okay, I will become a vegetarian.
Vegetarian, yes.
But when I came to the Naga, Kohima, so here's especially about the pork food. So I couldn't give up to eat pork. So just 3 times I ate the pork, but today is vegetarian dish.
Oh, cool.
But this is much for me because first I don't wanted to eat lunch because yesterday's pork oil is still in my stomach, so it's like ooh, but it's gone. めっちゃうまい。And the rice is quite different from Indian one.
Local rice.
Yeah, it looks like Japanese, quite Japanese.
Oh.
So yesterday I watched some fish market. Is it from river?
River fish, yes.
So Naga people eat fish much.
Yes, yes. Not so much, but when they eat river fish, yes.
Yeah.
When they go fishing, then they get it. Yeah. They eat pork the most. And dry fish.
Dry fish. It's very salty, right? Yeah, there is in Japan too.
Yeah.
I really want to try it, but so my leg problem is it called tofu. Tofu means too much drinking beer or too much eating meat. It's not good for my legs. Even like fish, the dirty fish. If I eat, it's fever much better coming. So I have to give up. So
Old problem. It's an old problem from many times.
no, it causes two factor. The one is this is called printai. Printai is
Maybe boiled.
yeah, boil. Yes, I need a boil. Boiled vegetable, fish. Yeah, it causes one is printai. Is put it in pork or meat or fish or like that. And the second factor is alcohol. Yes, so I have to give up most of two. But boy, yeah. So this. これが美味しい。
Oh look. You want?
What is this?
Potato.
Potato.
Yeah.
Okay. 炭水化物に炭水化物。
Slightly spicy, no?
ちょっとこっちのと a little bit different
Yes.
taste.
This is lentil. Lentil soup.
Lenten.
Yes.
Lenten is a soybean.
It's a kind of grain. Yes. So it's a soup from that, and that's potato mash.
ポテトマッシュ。これはポテトマッシュ。違うんだね。いやもう野菜で全然十分。韓国の田舎みたいな食事です。俺も俺で英語が喋る相手によって変わってくるっていうね。実は片言の人には片言のように喋るようにしてます。まあそんなうまくはないけど、上手い人にはうまく喋るようにかっこつけてます。うまみのポテト、玉ねぎ、キャベツ。
Actually, lentil soup. This soup is not local from Nagaland. When Plains people came to Nagaland, it got introduced.
OK、gotcha。これは他の人が持ってきた文化みたいですよ、このスープは。こんだけ炭水化物取ると絶対足また来る。さっきのね、魚の塩辛みたいなの持ってきたんだけど、他の人だったらね、豚の角煮みたいなの食べてる。彼女がベジタリアンなんで合わせようと思います。Really tasty.まあサービスエリアだね。朝6時半ぐらいに出発して今10時ぐらいです。足が突き上げてくる。てめえ食ってんだよ。てめえ米食ってんだよつって。炭水化物食っても痛いんだよ。まあ、何食っても痛いんだよ。でも痩せたら痩せたで痛いんだよ。僕です。Are you vegetarian naughty by nature?
was born vegetarian. When I came to Northeast 10 years back, when they cut pig for me, my heart could not say no. So I start eating meat. Because tribal people, they worry if you don't eat meat. So I became non-vegetarian, but whenever now for 2 years vegetarian.
Really funny story.
Yeah, because I don't want to say no to them and make them feel small.
Yes. I 100% agree about your sense.
Yes.
So I always say to you, I follow you, sir. I obey you, like because there's some way about their own tribe cultures. Yeah, we should.
So for 3 years, I could not chew meat. It was very difficult. My heart used to feel very sad. So I will cut small piece and put it directly.
彼女もともとベジタリアンで生まれたんだけど、長ランドに来ることになって豚は食べれないですって拒否するのはちょっと失礼だなと思ってちっちゃくカットして自分で噛めなかったからカットしてなんとかごまかして盛り込んでたけども、この最近の2年間はもうまたベジタリアンに戻ったということなんですね。面白い。Very interesting. Because in Japan, vegetarian is hard to survive because no restaurant.
Yes.
Yeah, the people can't go out to eat it, so have to cook by ourselves. But so I'm thinking about in 2020, we have a Olympic in Tokyo. So many foreigners come to Tokyo, but maybe I can imagine all of people about vegetarian bother where do I eat?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm thinking about when I go back to Japan, I will start vegan or vegetarian restaurant.
Very good. Then I can come.
Okay. Yeah. So because this is I have a scheme. If people want to be vegetarian, it takes a lot of money in Japan. It's a very high society. Yeah, vegetables are very expensive, more than meat in Japan. So poor people can't be vegetarian. Poor people have to be fat. Yeah. So my target is celebrity, high society people want to become vegetarian as a fashion. Yeah, as a fashion. It's like Japanese style. Yeah, it's quite different from you. Yeah, it's people. Yeah. So I aim to, if you want good fashion, come my restaurant like that because they are rich.
Yes. I can come and make some vegetarian food.
Yeah.
Guest chef.
Yeah.
I love cooking, so I can come and cook in your.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
That's good.
I wash my hands and come.
なんかじゃあそのレストランでクックやらしてって。もちろんですよ。ごちそうさまでした。